Cheers, man.
Cheers, dude.
Yeah, good picture of that. Yeah.
They're pretty close in size, aren't they?
Yeah.
I got it.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the Rewa Report. On today's episode, we're highlighting a trip that we just took on Lake Erie for pre-spawn walleye. A buddy of mine bought this trip through Fresh Coast Charters, and we were looking to capitalize on some of those big fish as they headed into the Detroit River system to spawn. So our first time doing this, and we had some rain in the forecast, but we had high hopes that we would box some pretty big walleye, and we weren't disappointed.
Cut back here so you don't have to back up. Back up. Right. Come right back here now.
Lake monster, Sims?
What?
Lake monster?
I don't know about that. I think you beat your first without breakfast, you know? No one did? No, I think you did. I can't even see it. Feels like it. That's a fat ass. Barely hooked, so take it easy. Oh, that's a good. That's a freaking big dude. Nice. Wow. Good. Oh, wow. That's a good one. Pretty good one. Here you go, bud. Let me see your rod. Yeah. You're up. You're up. That's a huge walleye. That's like 8 pounds. You got that? You good? Yep. Is that 8-pound fish? 8. Yeah, it's not quite 8, but it's... Huh? Take a swipe at it. There you go. Nice. You want a picture with it or no? Yeah, I think that's definitely what we are. Yeah. Here's the fish, bottom rod. Try to keep them up.
Okay.
What's that? You want to hook up yeah, I wish they were always right? It's a nice fish. Beautiful. Here you go, I'll take that from you if you want to get this fork coming in. Ooh, it popped off. I lost it.
Nice.
Back. Aaron. Take it, Aaron. Take it, Sim. Same one. Hey, Tim. No, you can't reach it. Can you reach that club right there? There's another fish. Right here. Take it. Second rod. Take it, Reed. Oh, they're gonna be. Well, you come back. Did you get that board, Justin?
Want me to...
You come back here.
Okay.
You come right back here.
Alright.
And then you come over here.
Oops, sorry.
You just want to reel that one a little bit, Jim? Not this one, come forward. You want to take this? Yeah. It's almost. You're good, Jim. Don't mind you. You hear that all day.
Clicker. Drive you nuts. Sorry. Okay.
Yep. Ideally, you don't want to stop reeling if
Right.
you can. Just back right up, nice and easy. But keep right on reeling because we always it's just a quick pop.
Right.
When you ride it down to me, you don't want that jerk of me letting the line go.
Right. It's a baby.
Oh, chromie.
Yeah. Pliers.
Rat.
Yep.
We were hungry this morning. Good. Shit, we only had like 8 fish by noon yesterday. Really? Yeah.
And then you cleaned up.
It started slow. Yep, then we cleaned up.
I don't know what's going on.
What's that, buddy?
I can hear one going on. I don't know what that is.
It's mine. Yeah. Don't give him any more big head. First legal charter, first fish came on my side. Yeah, here we go. Just saying? Just saying. First trip on this boat, legal charter, we blew it up, so there's that. I'll let it go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
He's got it. Over the way from Drew's gonna take a picture, dude.
Over here.
That's a nice walleye.
Nice.
That was probably too big for the slot limit. We got to throw that one back. Oh, dandy there. Wow.
Damn.
Dandy seen it.
That one's going on the wall.
Hey, go.
Oh,
Oh, yeah.
bigger than the other one.
This is a big ass fish too. This is a freaking tank.
Look at the size of that you got. Get him right.
I want to see how well he's hooked.
He's rolling around here, goofy, ain't he?
Yeah, I think he's got the tail end in his mouth.
Oh no, he's a
That
big
hook
one.
went well. Just one hook.
Oh, nice.
Man, that's a hog.
Look at that one hook right in the end there. You want to pop that, Justin? Got the pliers.
These are about twins. Look at it.
I'll switch you. Okay.
Cheers, man.
Cheers, dude.
Yeah, good picture of that. Yeah.
They're pretty close in size, aren't they?
Yeah.
A little longer. I got it. This is a big fish. That last one's 27. You got her? Stay away.
25. Really?
Yeah, we were going straight with the flag.
Bigger than the other one.
They're both big.
There's a huge fish in there. That one only is like 27.5 inches. Jim.
What is the limit per person out here? 6.
Kurt heard that they're trying to get it past the, so it's tennis person.
Wow.
A lot. I said I'll try if they pass it. Yeah. They're trying to get it 10 fish right now per person. Ohio fish?
Who wants this one?
Don't lose this one. Technically, my trips are 5 hours. And a lot of times we're only running like 2-hour trips. They kind of piece, and we're going to be running all 5-hour trips. So that be just Ohio waters, or? Ohio, yeah. Ohio's trying to change it to 10, but Michigan will probably reciprocate it, you know? Well, they did with perch. Michigan perch is still at, no, in Erie I think it's 50. In Ohio it's 45. Here, I got it. Oh, nice. Oh, man, that's slob. Who's that? No one again?
Yeah.
She's starting to get teeth too.
Oh yeah.
Fucking no shit. When you did that to me years ago?
Nice.
You ever caught that open?
Yeah.
You gotta fish right when the cord's up. Yeah, it's going. There you go, Rewa.
Jim, get it. Get it, Jim. You haven't done any.
Walleye got the sharp ass gills, don't they?
Yeah.
Don't they have like
They're-
laser gills too?
Their gill plates are real
Three
good.
on your side, Kurt? No, and what the
Schmega.
It's that birthday energy, man. It's your birthday. Who's?
Nolan.
Yesterday.
Yeah, Nolan, man.
That's a nice fish.
Hell yeah.
Today's tomato.
Jim's got a 10-pounder on. He's just buying his time.
40 tomorrow? Look at that fish.
We got a few on the Bible like that.
Monster. Get that spine to stand up too.
Yep. Oh, great softball. That's a good pitcher right there.
That's my dad.
Give him a kiss.
Don't kiss that. Oh my god. Why you just went right into something? Hell yeah, dude. Hell yeah. He's on a very busy board.
You gotta get up here, buddy.
What?
You're gonna be up catching the next one.
Oh.
He caught one in the wild. It's like 15 or 16 now. I think so. Oh, maybe that's big ones.
Want this red net?
Hang down.
That might be a short.
That's the biggest end spots out here.
Yeah, you're good. Nice.
Yeah, I know.
Good.
Oh.
Found the reaper, Justin. Nice. We were wondering where
Yeah.
to put that bait. Oh, no shit. Yeah.
Great idea.
Thank you.
No, thank you.
Reels will eat yours, man.
What?
Reels will eat yours.
Yeah.
Pitcher?
Sure.
I know he does. Come on, man.
That's a cause, man. Oh yeah.
Going, I'm sick of yours.
Don't catch some pocket gills or.
Hopefully you enjoyed the fishing trip today. If you're interested in booking a trip with Fresh Coast Charters, I'll link their information in the description below. If you like this, if you could, share it with a friend, subscribe to the channel, and until next time, we'll see you later.
Recording live out here with Captain Rewa and everybody else. We're gonna get drunk. We're gonna get drunk, you know what I'm saying?
It's the last time we saw Sims. Fell off. Jeez. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel.